Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Hope you guys have enjoyed my content so far. Alright, now as I mentioned earlier, we thought to do some videos in Phillip Island area. The best thing is, guys, all the places that I have shown you are not that far from Melbourne CBD, I would say. It takes less than 2 hours to go, and it is very easy to find too. All these places are perfect for a spontaneous trip with plenty of things to do and things to see. Okay, now about today's video, it is a unique experience, I would say, that you can't miss if you travel around Phillip Island. And I have to say, I visited this place more than 2 times, and there's a lot of knowledge that you can be imparted to your children, but if you have kids though, but it's all right. It's not only for children, it's for adults as well. We are going to discover more details about the Phillip Island Chocolate Factory this time, so stay tuned. Phillip Island Chocolate Factory is the sweetest and magical attraction in Phillip Island, and this place is the one of the key places in Phillip Island. Okay, here are some key attractions that you can find in this place. When you enter to the factory area, there will be admission charges apply for this place, and I'll share all the ticket details here for your information. And they have adults, children tickets, family packages, and concession tickets as well, so you can have an idea about all the ticket prices and all the packages that they have. I'll share all the details below. So guys, when we go to chocolate industry, we won't normally know about the production of chocolate from cocoa, but here there's going to be an educational exhibition about whole process, and which you can easily understand too. So now I'll share some video clips about the whole process to get an idea before you go. So please enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Once you've had an informative time at the exhibition area, you can take part in fun game activities and you can win prizes as well. Guys, believe me when I say that all of those games are super fun and enjoyable. We had so much of fun over there. next, once you're done with all of these things, you can do some chocolate shopping too, and you can buy homemade chocolates or homemade chocolate gifts at the shop area. After all, you can go to the cafe area. There's an attractive cafe area where you can relax a bit and enjoy something to refresh yourself. Alright guys, we have reached the end, and thank you for watching this video guys. I believe you will find it enjoyable. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't done it yet. So please subscribe, and again thank you for watching.